Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to hide apps on your iPhone? Whether for privacy or decluttering, I will show you a few ways to do it. Let's get started. The first step is to use the app library. Long press the app you want to hide until it starts to jiggle. Next, you tap on remove app and choose whether to delete it or remove it from the home screen. The app will still be accessible in the app library but won't appear on your home screen. Another step is to hide an entire home screen page. Long press on any empty space on your home screen until the apps jiggle. Next, you tap on the bottom of the screen to view all your home screen pages. Uncheck the page you want to hide and then tap done. And that's how you hide an entire home screen page. Next step is to use folders to disguise. Drag the app into a folder with other apps. You can always place an app on top of another app to create a folder. Rename it if you want, then you move it to the second or third page of the folder for an extra layer of hiding. Since the apps were not deleted but hidden, you can always go back to search for them. Hidden apps can be found by swiping down on the home screen or using Spotlight search to look for the app you want to use. And that's how you can easily hide apps on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching and bye bye.